This is a video explaining how to upload your government ID. The first step we'll be doing is resetting setting a new password for the Wyoming Electrician e-license portal, and then we will follow up to load that government ID. What you should be seeing on your machine or phone will be an email from the Wyoming Electrician e-license portal that looks something like this. It's going to state you have two steps to follow. One, log in and set your new password. Two, upload your government ID. So to get started, let's click here. So now we're at the reset password screen. We have some basic password requirements. It has to be 8 characters long, 1 numeric, 1 uppercase, and 1 special character. So let's insert our new password. And click submit. At this point, we will be redirected to the front page of the public portal. As it states, if this is your first time using the portal, you must provide a government issued ID. In this case it is, so what we're going to do is click here, and then we're going to click upload a document and follow the instructions on the subsequent page. So let's do click here, and this will redirect us to the document upload section. We'll let it take a moment. All right, at this point, it's a generic list of documents. Right now we have no records. We're going to take our attention over to the right-hand side. This is upload a document, and click there. You should also note that it will have your existing licensure information at the top here. So let's click upload a document, and on the subsequent form, we need to enter the name of the document. Let's type in John Smith, driver's license. And I'm just going to take that and copy it into here, so that's the description. But if you have any pertinent information, please provide it there, or any explanation. Then we're going to choose a file to upload. I have a sample driver's license on my desktop right now. I'm going to say choose file and go to my desktop. And I'm already there, and I have a sample ID, or driver's license from Wyoming. And so I choose that file. And then I need to set the document type to government issued ID. And then I can leave this as it is, attached to user core record, and then I can go ahead and click upload. At this point, this is sending the government issued ID back to the fire marshal office. Once accepted, you'll get another email notifying you that your account is ready to go, and you can start applying for licensure through this portal.